Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn fetch the customer info through the Shopify REST storefront API. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we are going to fetch the customer email, first name, last name and the default address. Okay, let's have a look how to fetch it. So let's copy this mutation. Okay, let's go to the postman, paste this. Okay, so I will do to make something bigger. Okay, now here variables we need to put. So customer access token is must, so just customer access token, rest of the things we will eliminate. Okay, let's have a look to get all the details of the customer, and let's try to send this. So the customer null. I think we should generate the new access token. Let's have a look. I think, which is that one? This is register an account. Okay, but we haven't created, we have a login also. Fetch customer info is there, and this is for what? Sign in with email and the password. Okay, so we will log in with this one, test at the rate millinator, because we have changed the passwords. Might be test 90 at the rate millinator.com, and here we have the password. Okay, let's try to retrieve the token. So this is the new SS token that we have. Let's go and paste this in the customer info, and let's go with this one. Okay, so here we go with this one. Let's try to send the response. Sorry, we have updated the wrong one. Fetch customer info. This is our SS token we have to put. Okay, fetch customer info. Let's try to send this, and now you can see that because of the SS token is not the correct, so here you can see that we have addresses node, and this is the way that the two addresses are there, the customer info is there, right? So this is how you can retrieve. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.